Welcome to biology. Here's some quick things to help you get started this year in biology. We have some class expectations that will be occurring each and every day. So please remember that you are here to learn and I'm here to help you do the learning. So there's some expectations. The most important one is this is a no meanness zone. We are respectful to all. We use very responsible and positive language. And then I do expect you to check your calendar every day and complete your assignments as needed. And if you need help, then you are encouraged, welcome to call me or email me or contact me at the end of class. All of those things are options for you to help you succeed in biology. I want to make sure that you can find all of the readings, assignments, and assessments, and also the student resources that are available to you. Because part of being successful is being persistent, turning that work on time, and constantly working on it. Remember that you try and you fail, and you try and you fail. The real failure is when you stop trying. Just like when you were learning to ride your bike for the first time or walking, you are not always going to succeed. And keeping persistent, keeping yourself positive and involved is the best way to be successful. So my job is to help you. I cannot read your mind, so I need you to contact me. If you have any computer issues, I can give you the help number, the tech support, it's right up on the board. If you have assignment issues, you're not understanding, you need extensions, there are several ways you can contact me and they're listed right here for you. There is a late policy for your work. You need to do the work on time, and part of that is because you're going to feel stressed and overwhelmed if you get behind. I've kind of paced it out so that it can be done in a relaxed way. You can get a lot of help to complete these assignments, and the further and further behind you get, the more stressed you get. So follow those assignments carefully. Treat it like a job. Treat your biology like it's a job, and you will do well. We have some retake policies. I hope that you will take advantage of retaking. Like I said, learning a new skill is challenging. You're not going to be able to do it all the first time, and that is okay. It's all about keeping on trying. Just keep on, be persistent. And with that, there'll be opportunities for you to redo things if you need them. You do need to keep up on that because there are qualifications and limitations in that. There's extra credit for you in the class if you complete it on time. Anything that's marked extra credit has a due date and sometimes even a time. And if you submit it on time, you'll get all the extra credit points if you complete the assignment. So like a quiz, you'll get the whatever points that you get right. You'll gain those points. They'll be added into your other assignments. There'll be review sheets at the end of every unit that you can be filling out through the whole unit. And at the end, you turn them in. If it's all completed, you've given it your best shot, you'll get the extra credit points that are assigned to each of the review sheets. When you go to your biology course, you're going to log into that OLS first and go to the sections where you see my courses, and you should see biology in your list. And you'll just click on that and it will open up to something that looks like this. In there, you'll see that there's class news. You'll see the class connect sessions under the class plan. You'll also see the class content. This class content has the folders over here on the left. You can go into each of these folders. This is your textbook. This is your textbook. This is where you'll find all of your assignments. In the class news, you'll see fun videos, reminders, help videos, all kinds of different things. There is a biology calendar for you, and there's two ways you can find this. One is in the course book. You'll see it under class plan. You'll see a calendar. You'll see those due dates, and they'll come up on your reminders. The other is over here on the bottom. This is just a Word document that you can download. It has the whole year. It will show you the due dates by date and what we're covering by date. Some people like to see the whole year laid out. Some people like to see only what's due on that day. Some people like to see a week laid out. So all those options are for you, and there'll be a download where you can go in and download that. Due dates are very, very, very important. If you don't use these two systems, that is a-okay, but have a calendar that you get all of your due dates on. You do not want to get behind. It will stress you out. So to find all of the reading material, there's two ways to do it. You can click on the folders that were on the first page, or you can come up here and hit Content button. When you hit Content button, this page will open up, and each of these little folders, when you click on them, will open them up. So I clicked on chapter or unit 1, gene expression, and it opened up all the lessons below it on the left and then also on the right. And you'll see each of the things that fall in to the lesson. So in lesson 1, you see it says unit 1, introduction, gene expression, course introduction, biology, explore biology. These are what you go in and read. You click on them and it's like turning a page in the book. There's also some helps for you. You'll see down here it says Unit 1 PowerPoints and Helps. I have a link for every unit that will help you study better. It has extra helps. It has links to the PowerPoint so that if you want to download the PowerPoints or take notes on the PowerPoints, you can do that. In each lesson, you'll notice that in Unit 1, Lesson 102, under the introduction, there's a study guide. You can click on that and download it. If you don't like the PowerPoints, that's okay. Download and print the study guide. Sometimes you'll need to do this for labs. Lab instructions will be there, but it's a great way to take notes. Check it out. Go in, click on it. All of our labs and all of our assignments are in the textbook. So if there's a lab, there'll be a link for you to click right there. See, it says using the microscope virtual lab. If you click on that, it will open up to your virtual lab. Your assignments will be in the same idea that they'll be there. You click on them, you open them up, you download them, you work on them. So everything's all in one place. Unit helps. Here's a little bit more information. I already brought it up a little bit earlier. There is an outside link, kind of looks like this over here in a Google Drive. It will have the checklist, the study guides, it will have extra help videos, and all of the PowerPoint links. If there's something that you don't know how to do, say you don't remember how to use the snipping tool, or you don't know how to insert a picture in a document, no worries, I got you covered. If you go to the content in your biology section, go to student resources, and you'll find a list of videos and Word documents on how to do something. Sometimes there are links to other videos. So like how to use Word better, there'll be links to YouTube videos that other people have put on. How to find your missing work, or how to find a class connection session that you missed. That's all in there. Like I said, all the assignments are in there. It has a little question mark for quizzes, and it has a box, like an old-fashioned inbox for drop boxes. They're all labeled. So these are reading, where it says the little link with the orange on the bottom. Those are reading assignments, and then there's a quiz. If you want to check your grades, just check on that grade tab. You'll see in this case, you have an A and a dash, 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 dash. The dash means it hasn't been graded yet. Otherwise, it will give you an A for anything that's graded and anything that's coming up. So you'll be able to check it all out. If there's any questions that you have at all, please feel free to contact me. Ask those questions. We'll have opportunities in class to ask. But I wanted to produce this video just for those that might need to go through it more than once. That's okay. It took me quite a while to figure out and remember where everything is, and I'm going to assume that it's going to take a little while for you too. So I wanted to provide a opportunity for you to get a little overview.